Hello guys, what is up? What is up? Welcome back to a brand new morning and a beautiful one too. क्योंकि मौसम काफ़ी अच्छा हो रहा है आज. So let's begin our day. Open up some tabs. Close this fucking things. Okay. So the first thing we do always is we solve DSA. I guess we'll be solving linked list today as well. As you can see, let us check how much problems do we have solved in linked list. It was 4 problems, 2 easy, 2 medium. So we'll solve some more medium problems on linked list to get the better understanding of it, and then oh my god, what is that? And then we will move on to learning some system design. Okay guys, okay. Yes. Starting my day with some caffeine. Okay, let me just close the view, open up jfather.org, my friends, and open the SD sheet. So, linked list, medium problems on linked list. Check if linked list is palindrome or not. We done this. Segregate odd and even nodes in linked list. You can do that. Remove a net node from back of the linked list. You can do that as well. Find the insertion point of sort a linked list of zeros, ones, and twos. Sort linked list. Let's sort the linked list. Okay, so how can we sort the linked list? The first and easy approach is directly create a vector and create an array and put all the elements in that array, and then create a new linked list after sorting that array. So this is a very basic thing, but we are not going into that thing. What we will be doing is we'll be thinking of some good logic. So we can perform sorting techniques here, right? English 2 divide conquer sorting mode sort. See, I told you we're going to use sorting techniques over here. Mod sort is like so. Mod sort uses divide and conquer rule, in which it firstly breaks all the elements into individual parts and then start merging the very basic sub-array, very smaller sub-array. Let's suppose 4 and 2 were built, then it sort this, and here 1 and 3 were broke, like 1 and 3, and then then this is sorted. After we see this 4 array, and then this sort is performed. Like 1 is less than 4, 1. What if we use 2 pointers, put 1 pointer here at the start, and divide this array into 2 parts, and make this mid as start as well, and compare all the elements. So let's see. Let me just run this logic. What it is minus 1, 5, 3, 4 and 0. So let's suppose we broke this array into 2 parts. One is pointing to minus 1, the second pointer is pointing to 3. So we can check while there is temp 1 and temp 2. So what we can check, if temp 1 is less than or equals to temp 2, temp 1 dot value is less than or equals to temp 2 dot value, then we move forward, right? Move temp 1. So temp 1 is moved to next one. Again we check if temp 1 is less than or equals to temp 2. No. Then what we do, we perform a swap of temp 1 with temp 2. So what happens, we perform value swap. So 3 comes to this in place of 5, and 5 goes to here, and okay, so okay, we have to create a new list for this, I guess. So minus 1 attached to 3. Now this temp has nothing, and we have 4 and 0. We have to individually sort firstly both the linked list, and then we can perform sorting on this, right? Yeah. Okay. I will solve this question. So I think we can implement merge sort over here. So what does merge sort do? It breaks the array into smaller units, and then it sorts. Order of one space, one sort. We basically create 2 arrays. let's apply the layman method. Method 1, which is convert, store the uh, this node data into array and sort it. Vector int array, ठीक है, and for file we can take a list node start temp equals to while add, जब तक head आना होगा we can do array dot push back dot jump. Jump the values, right, and time equals to temp next. So what happens? Let's put temp to again. Or we'll see what we have to do. Now we have the array, we can sort the array. Sort array dot variant and again create a new linked list out of this. So list this node is star at 2 equals to new list node with array of 0 or and type is 0 less than array dot size I plus plus. We have put the first set. Now head to is pointing to the first element. Okay, what we can do is we can create a new node and link it to, okay, so what we do every time we create a new node, this node current equals to new list node of array of 5. We create a new. Now we can point head का जो next है to current to बना और active equals to current, ठीक है. तो हेड टू तो पहले फर्स्ट नोड पे था और उसके नेक्स्ट में मैंने करंट नोड नया नोड जोड़ दिया, ठीक है. अब हेड टू तो फर्स्ट पे था तो हेड टू को सेकंड पे खोल दिया. तो सेम वाइज फॉर टू एक न्यू नोड क्रिएट हुआ, उसके नेक्स्ट में मैंने करंट को जोड़ दिया, ठीक है. सो दिस डज द थिंग एंड एट द एंड इट क्रिएट्स न्यू नोड. Wait, the last, what is the last? Now we have to add. Now current is head to is at the last, okay. We created a new node as 5, right? So हेड का जो नेक्स्ट है 5 से जोड़ दिया, ठीक है. और हेड टू को कर दिया करेक्ट. ना अब ये एंड हो गया, ठीक है. तो टू के जो नेक्स्ट को कर दिया मैंने and temp shit. And here we can use temp equals to 2 and we can do with this. It doesn't matter. Return temp here, right? Reference to null pointer of what do you random reference binding to null pointer of type int. Okay. We create a node. Yes. Sorry. We create a node and what we do, करंट की जो वैल्यू है उसको एरे ऑफ 5 करेंगे. ठीक है. Here as well we create a blank node and head to the जो वैल्यू है उसको एरे ऑफ 0 करेंगे. We do this over here, right? I guess. Almost certainly this line, boom. If array is empty, oops. If the input head is null pointer, तो ये पहले ही चेक लगाना है कि जो if is not head, अगर head है तो return head. Wow. So we definitely nailed it. There was one test case on which it was failing and it was null. Okay. Now we need a good solution on this. What we are doing is we are creating a new list. Do you understand this thing? Like we are taking order of n space. Pointers से easy कर रहे हैं लोग. Line by line explanation data. I want to just know the theory explanation. Using 2 pointer fast slow pointer, find the middle node of the list. Now call merge sort for 2 has. Merge sort list divide and conquer approach. Okay, I thought the same way that we can use 2 pointer and find the middle node. Slow, fast pointer, yeah, everything just okay, and then you call okay, and you call merge sort on this both. So merge sort now divides the array. Okay, while mm, firstly it calculates mid. My merge sort is rusty. I don't remember it properly. My memory about merge sort is rusty. I don't remember it properly. So let's see the merge sort algorithm. Merge sort algorithm. I want to check this function. So what you guys do is you call merge sort on yeah. While left is less than right, we do this. We calculate the mid. Okay, okay. He divided the array. This one sort list had this two sort list slow left after this so we can merge list. So sort list what it does is it again breaks what is PTR? Okay, this is PTR. Sorry. We'll create an empty list. Of the backend. Check this work. Okay, so this is the main algorithm over here. But sorting thing is kinda easy. That is not the main part. The main part is how we dividing the array here. So we are using slow and fast pointer to divide the array. Firstly we get the slow to mid, and then we assign slow to 10. We assign the mid of that to null. So this breaks the linked list into two halves, and again we call the this particular function on both this divided list, and then it again finds the mid and breaks it. Again find the mid and breaks it. After getting the smallest, what it does is uh, it perform merge list. Right. So if head is equals to null, head next equals to null. If list contains single or zero, to return कर or after returning, what it does is have a single head. I get it. Again single one. Do this both. Okay. Get single head on this. You get single head on that. And then merge this. Okay. So we did understand how the things are working here. List. Let's write this method to using merge, sort and slow fast to break the array into two, perform the while and on good. I don't know the spelling actually. I guess it's right. जो भी चीज़ें मैं लिखता हूँ हमेशा सही होती हैं. So we check if it's only a single element. If head, if not head, or not head next, what we do is we return head. Else what we do, we create list no start slow assign to head, same as fast assign to head as well. Now what we check while fast and fast come next. So what we do is we also take a temp list node star temp equals to null, temp equals to slow. So what it does is the temp is assigned to slow every at the end. The temp is pointed to the mid order element, and then we'll be using temp to create the list. Why are not using slow? A good question. Let's check. Doing this. I don't think we need this. Let's don't take this and comment this line as well. Though slow, I don't want to see the code. I don't want to understand it. Slow equals to slow. Next, right? Fast equals to fast. Okay, next. Next. By the time fast reaches to null, slow will be finding mid. Now what we do? Slow. Got you. Next has to null broken. The list has been broken into two parts. Now we call this list mode star list one equals to sort list of what? Slow. Okay. So what happens is we need this relation right here. We do this on head. And the start of another array is slow. White after this we return merge list for L1 comma L2. Now what is merge list? So merge list is private function that this class only can access, that returns list node star what merge list node star list node star L2. Now what we do is we create a new list node star new list equals to n ठीक है new list node ठीक है एक मैंने list node create करा and then we create list node star current equals to. So this will be the temporary thing that this pointer will be used to traverse the array, right? So that will be pointed to. Cool. Now while L1 next and L2 का next, जब तक इन दोनों को नेक्स्ट है तब तक या L1 and L2 नेक्स्ट करिए, ठीक है? तो what we check if L1 का जो वैल है that equals to L2 का well, what we do is we do this current का जो next है वो L1 के well sorry well है L1 का well और L1 equals to L1 का next else current का जो well है वो L2 का well है L2 equals to L2 का next. At the end what do we do? We move the current equals to current का next. Always we are jumping next. Again we run a while loop while L1 ठीक है, तो what we do current का जो well है equals to yes that is what you are done. Sorry current का जो next है वो L1 है here as well. current का जो next है वो L2 है. So we are directly assigning up what you can say nodes this for thing current का जो next है वो out one है current का next. Again we do this thing for at the end we return what We created a new one, right? We written. So yeah. What? What? Sorry. Uh, I'm so sorry, my friend, that I created a head. Again, this thing should be written. तो क्या टेम का काम यहाँ पे आता है? So one thing that I find beneficial is if I'm somewhere wrong, I can directly see. We do understand the logic, how it works, everything, but we are not familiar with all the type of syntaxes. Okay, L1 equals to L1 again next. I haven't proved that, right? Okay. Okay, we are able to solve. There are two mistakes that we have done over here. That L2 equals to L2 next. Firstly, we are not doing this. L1 equals to L1 next. And the one thing that we are doing is we have to return its next. Not simply the dummy node. Now everything is going fine, and I want to know one thing about it. What is the use of temp here? Temp like the node just before slow, so you can cut the list into 2 halves. Oh, yes. Okay, so we are cutting the list not on the half, but half plus 1, mid plus 1. We are cutting on mid plus 1. Okay. We are tracking one before. See, mid तो पहुंच गया, लेकिन हमें काटना गवर्नमेंट के पहले करना. Yes, that is how much sort works. So we are done with this thing, and Sarah will update her and sort for the and so sort list medium this use slow fastest to write curve and function. let's move on to another problem. Fine there. Let's do this, add two numbers in the linked list. So we are given with two lists. First we check if head, this is the basic check, if head equals to null or head car next is not equals to, equals to null. So what it is, return head, why we are doing head L1. So again, what we can do is we can traverse on both the list and can add and return a new list of list node star new one equals new list node. Let's create a dummy node and list node star current equals to n1 now. Just similarly like the old one, that is why I got this question how to solve it. So L1 and L2, जब तक L1 and L2 है तब तक क्या करूँ कि दोस्तों करंट का जो वैल है उसमें क्या आएगा, L1 प्लस L2, ठीक है, एंड करंट का जो नेक्स्ट उसमें क्या आएगा, ये खुद क्रिएट कर लेगा. यस, at the end we can return what we want next. Does it work like that? Sorry. टू फोर थ्री, ठीक है, दो नोड्स थे, मैंने एक लिस्ट बना ली, ठीक है, 3 की एक ही की बनाई है, खुश. नाउ व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, अगर L1 और L2 है तो है, और व्हाट वी आर डूइंग इज L1 का जो वैल है प्लस L2 का वैल उसको ऐड कर रहे हैं दोस्तों. तो ऐड करने के बाद हमें मिल रहा है, ओह दिस इज समथिंग एल्स. ओके ओके ओके, एक्सप्लेनेशन इज 243 को हम ऐड कर रहे हैं 564 से, दैट इज 564 प्लस 243 इज 764 10 01 5 6 7 8 8 0 7. Okay, so what we are doing, we are calculating the sum firstly, right? So what we can do is we can calculate the sum. Calculate the sum. Hence sum equals to 0. Sum equals to 0. तो सम कैलकुलेट होता नहीं है. Can we take help of string? String everyone equals to this while everyone. And then someone was equals to L1 string let's see if this is running fine. While मैं क्या लिखकर now matching converts the function style cast from int to string. str I guess. Yes, तुमको कैरेक्टर बना के ऐड कर दिया स्ट्रिंग में मैंने. ठीक है, सेम थिंग फॉर एल को करेंगे. एक स्ट्रिंग ले लेंगे. तो क्या हुआ कि दोनों वेरिएबल. अब इसी को आई फंक्शन क्या करता है, स्ट्रिंग को इंटीजर में कर देता है. तो एंड सम इक्वल्स टू cy of s1 plus cy of s2. now मेरे पास 807 आ गया. fuck bro, fuck. 807 तो आ गया. अब मैं कैसे करूँगा जो मेरे पास आता है उसको रिवर्स कर देता हूँ. तो आई हैव अ सॉल्यूशन फॉर दिस. मेरे पास है ना. तो वाइल एंड के इक्वल्स टू सम वाइल के इज लेस देन 0 एंड n इक्वल्स टू के नॉट 10 and reverse. Sorry, take reverse the loop and reverse equals to reverse equals to 7. Lost it. I don't know what I'm doing here, friends. Samjhe friends. You have to slice each one. And that was string. Fuck this thing. For and fuck this thing. String div shit and equals to something this and you're gonna do this d equals to char of r plus r को char बना दिया t तो क्या होगा so now एक आया मेरे पास 708 ठीक है तो 0 plus 7 ठीक है तो 0 सामने आ गया और k equals to q divided by तो मेरे पास d आ गया as a string right अब मैं string पे ये कर सकता हूँ कि मैंने ये बना लिया now for type of UI less than dot size sorry d dot size मैं बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट कर दिया इस क्वेश्चन को और इस प्रॉब्लम को एक्चुअली करंट की जो वैल्यू है उसको क्या कहते हैं क्या है ना वो कहेगा हाँ तुमने अपने स्ट्रिंग का लिंक का सबका दिमाग यहाँ पे लगा लिया रिटर्न भी क्या कर What the fuck मैं क्यों ये चेक किया हूँ Let's try the solution on this and check how it is working. 2 4 3 5 6 4, राइट. सो क्या L1 है, L2 है? हाँ है. तो सम इक्वल्स टू कैरी, ठीक है. इन सम इक्वल्स टू कैरी, सम में क्या है, कैरी है जो कि 0 है. क्या L1 है? हाँ. तो सम प्लस इक्वल्स टू L1 की वैल्यू, L1 की वैल्यू क्या है, 2. तो सम में क्या किया मैंने, 2 ऐड कर दिया, ठीक है. और L1 को मूव कर दिया 4 पे. नाउ क्या L2 है? हाँ है. तो सम में L2 भी ऐड कर दो. तो 2 + 5 गिव मी एक्चुअली व्हाट, 7. कैरी इक्वल्स टू सम बाई 10. तो कैरी क्या हो गई, सम बाई 10, ठीक है. सम बाई 10 मतलब 7/10. कैरी अभी है 0, ठीक है. तो ठीक है भाई, 0 है कैरी, तो ठीक है. करंट का नेक्स्ट इक्वल टू न्यू लिस्ट नोट सम नॉट 10. सम नॉट 10 तो 7 नॉट 10, दैट इज 7 एक्चुअली. तो नया लिस्ट नोट किसका बन गया, 7 का, वैल्यू 7. और करंट इक्वल्स टू करंट का नेक्स्ट, दिस इज नॉट. कैरी इक्वल्स टू सम बाई 10 में क्या होगा, लेट्स सी. मेरे से तो यही हुआ, ठीक है. नाउ अगेन सम इक्वल्स टू कैरी, सम इक्वल्स टू अगेन 0, राइट. Plus L4 plus 6 gives me 10. Now I got 1 carry. Cool है. तो carry equals to sum by 10. तो carry equals to 1. And then again we will create a new one with sum of 10. 10 mod 10, that is 1. 10 mod 10, that is 10 क्या होता है, 0 होता है भाई. नाउ करंट का नेक्स्ट, कैरी है क्या, हाँ है. सम इक्वल्स टू कैरी, सम हो गया 1. नाउ सम प्लस इक्वल्स टू 3, दैट इज 4. 4 8. नाउ लिस्ट का नेक्स्ट इक्वल्स टू लिस्ट 8 हो गया. नाउ करंट इक्वल्स टू करंट का नेक्स्ट, करंट इक्वल्स टू करंट का नेक्स्ट, ठीक है. रिटर्न डबल करंट, डबल का नेक्स्ट वन करो 7 0. हाउ इट इज करेक्ट, the first iteration the sum becomes 7 after 2 plus 5 and carry becomes 0. So the list comes out to be 7 0. Wait, for example what happens here is we create a list. Node star done. Okay, can. And what we do is we create a list node star एक running pointer current and percent dummy characteristic for the value. Now star gives us value and gives us address. Now while L1 or L2 or take carry to check if there is a carry present or not. So what we do is when carry first is 0. Now what we do is we take in sum equals to carry if L1 है तो sum plus equals to L1 dot and L1 equals to L1 next. Same if L2 sum plus equals to L2 dot L2 equals to L2 dot next. Now let's check. Sum equals to carry equals to sum by 7. We create a list now. Star. Cannot initialize a variable of type list node star with an use of list star star. Okay. Okay, so list now we create the object of dummies. This is an object that we are creating. To access its next, we can use dot, right? But if we have created pointer, we have to use this. So let's go. We are done with this question as well. What you did is add to list some medium use carry and linear every add the elements of the list maintaining the carry. What actually ah fuck this thing out. Circle of death. So according to me, these were hard problems that I did. I want to do no more. Like find the intersection point of y in the linked list. Let's go. Given the head of two singly linked lists, head A and head B, return a node at which the two lists intersect. If the two linked lists have no intersection at all, return null. The test case are generated such that there are no cycles anywhere in the entire list structure. Now the linked list must retain the original structure. The input of the judge given is intersect the value of the node. The value of the node where the intersection occurs. This is 0 if there is no intersected node. The first linked list, the second linked list. The number of nodes is skip add. If temp1 equals to temp2, that is the case. But how we can find how much skips we need to perform on both? We need to find skip A, skip B. Okay. Then we can get. So let's see. What if we calculate the length of the linked list? Both the list. List A is 5, list B is of 6. So the intersection can occur anywhere, right? Note that the intersected node value is not 1 because the nodes will value 1 and B are different node difference. In other the point to do the integration in family for the nodes value. Yeah, we need to compare actually the proper node if they're same or not. I know that. One nine one two four. Can we find that how much skips we need to perform on this? The number of nodes m n skip m n intersection value is 0 if listed and we do not intersect, and then this is query isolation ends in order plus n time and only order plus. Okay, you want me to write in m plus n like m चल लिया n चल लिया और मुझे intersection मिल गया. You want me to do that with order of one space as well. I don't know, what do you think? Like, okay, we can traverse first list while checking the second. Like, if in the first example, let's suppose if 4 equals to 5, if 1 equals to, no, this can't do it. Four equals to 5. We will be doing it into m rather than m plus n. Can you show me topic? Hash table linked list 2 pointers. But hash table won't give you order of 1. We can keep track of hash. Right. I can do this with hash table easily, but not of one space, I don't know. Let's do it with hash table. I have that one solution in my mind always. So how can we do this with hash table? We can we can traverse on the linked list and store every element in the hash table, and at the end we can check the frequency. Those frequencies too, we can return that particular node. Right. If the maker we can return 0, right? Search for I don't know why I stopped my beat from too long. Guys, look back in 2 minutes. But we'll start 5. Guys, we're back. Hmm. So let's take another map. If had a equals to had the return had अगर दो ही सिंगल हुआ this is not any breaking condition that we are writing here. Let's begin with unordered map list node star and we'll be storing frequency MP. Now for while inside a temporary pointer list node starts and equals to add a while temp MP of temp plus temp equals to temp next. Now temp equals to add p while temp MP of temp plus temp equals to temp next. Now this will give a lesson for enter equals 0 is less than equals I plus plus. Now what we do? We'll check if we can do that for auto it in MP if MP dot second to 2 return MP of return it dot first else we can return while inserting the second one if MP dot find temp not equals to MP dot end to return MP to return temp. We don't need to do this. For second traversal what we do add the temp equals to temp next. अगर MP में temp ऑलरेडी है मतलब ये नोड है तो रिटर्न कर दो cool. M plus N do we have another solution? This seems to be a good algorithm. Let's try run on an example. 2, 4, 6, 8, 5, 9. So connected to H1 H. Now X Y Y equals to 9. Now X is not equals to 9. Correct है. X equals to X क्या नल है? नहीं. तो नेक्स्ट पे चला जाओ. X4 Y क्या नल है? नहीं. तो 8 पे चला जाओ. No. बराबर है कि नहीं. X कहाँ चला जाए? 6 पे. Y कहाँ चला जाए? 5 पे. ना क्या X नहीं 8 पे चला जाए. Y नल हो गया तो हेड ए पे चला गया 2 पे. ना क्या बराबर है? नहीं. तो X कहाँ चला गया? 5 पे और 2 चला गया 4 पे. हाँ क्या बराबर है? नहीं. पर X हो गया एंड अब ये आ गया 9 पे. ना Y 4 से चला गया 6 पे. नाउ बराबर है. X चला गया 9 से 8 पे. Y चला गया 8 पे. बराबर है. हाँ तो रिटर्न कर दो बब्बू. That's also a very cool solution. Let's do it, friends. Let's do it. So we took 2 pointers X and Y to solve this. So firstly we check if head A is equals to 9 or head B is equals to 9. तो what do we do? दोनों में से कोई नल है तो there is no intersection point to return null. And we take now two lists, 2 pointers X equals to head A and list node star Y head B. Now what do we do? While X is not equals to Y, जब तक बराबर नहीं तब तक चलते रहो. क्या चल रहा है? X क्या X इक्वल्स टू नल है? क्या X नल हो गया? जैसे X नल हुआ वैसे ही हेड B असाइन कर दो और नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट पे चले जाओ. Y क्या Y नल है तो हेड A पे असाइन कर दो. नहीं तो next पे चले जाओ. At the end you guys will meet at a point and I can admit one of you. This is the simplest solution that I found on the internet. Easy, but it was algorithm. Traverse both 2 pointers if anyone wants to know. Assign to second other list. Let's move on to double linked list. Delete all offenses of the key list. Add one to a number represented by linked list. delete another node. Let's find this problem and manual linked list. 4 5 6 मैं 1 ऐड कर दिया ठीक है You are given hand of the list where each node contains merely the digit together represented by a number found by concatenating node where in order. Add 1 to this. The digit together represented a number found by concatenating. Add 1 to this number and return the head of the modified list. तो 4 5 6 है इसमें 1 ऐड करो 4 5 7 हो जाएगा कोई इशू नहीं 4 5 9 होता उसमें 1 ऐड कर दो तो मेरे पास आता 4 6 0 ऐड करने के बाद क्या बन रहा है मेरा लिस्ट 0 प्रीवियस तो ये तो काफ़ी इजी है ना 2 पॉइंटर ले लूँगा 4 5 9 एक 5 पे रखूँगा एक 4 पे एक 9 पे रखूँगा 9 पे मैं एडिशन परफॉर्म किया ठीक है और वो मैं कर दिया उसको 0 अगर मैं चेक करूँगा कि कोई कैरी है क्या इफ कैरी तो क्या करेंगे प्रीवियस में 1 ऐड कर लेंगे और रिटर्न कर देंगे ठीक है तो do it traverse the array maintain एक मिनट ये देखना फाइन हो सकता है कूल है and then previous and last pointer last and second last now ठीक है node star previous equals to last is not equals to null तो previous equals to last last equals to last next ठीक है previous or last का match. Now we perform right. Now we perform this. You have to return a new list, right? Modified linked list कह रहा है ठीक है तो उसे modify करके दे देते हैं तो last calcium equals to 1 plus last का value ठीक है sum equals to carry equals to sum return now last calcium value है उसमें क्या डालना है sum if carry लास्ट के नेक्स्ट में डाल देंगे sum on 10 ठीक है सॉरी वैल्यू में डालेंगे sum on 10 if carry तो previous के मान में क्या करेंगे previous के val में carry ऐड करेंगे at the end return ऐड करेंगे this solution is not good right traverse the array get the digits नाइन्टी नाइन है तो की होंगी फ्रेंड्स 200 199 का 200 हो गया ठीक है now friends now we need is my friends what we need now जुदा होके काश ये डब्ल्यू लिंक लिस्ट होता, मज़ा नहीं आ जाता। सबके प्रीवियस होते हैं, उल्टा सीधा ट्रेवर्स कर लेते हैं। What is he messaging? should head the next. No, head for the next है उसमें डालने करना previous को कर दिया है और हेड को कर दिया है head में next को दिया previous ठीक है let's reverse the linked list so we have a private function node star reverse node star इसको reverse करना तो काउंटर नोड स्टार प्रीवियस को काउंट करने के लिए हम क्या while head equals to node star current advanced head का next होगा previous को count करेगा previous count करेगा head को head one करेगा current at the end return the previous. Now this will reverse the list. Okay. Node star reverse equals to reverse कर दिया मैंने इसको इस लिस्ट को मैंने reverse कर दिया. Now while node star then equals to reverse soon null. ठीक है if reverse की जो वैल्यू है वो 9 के बराबर है अगर 9 है तो रिवर्स की जो वैल्यू है उसको कर दो 0. ठीक है नहीं तो else रिवर्स की जो वैल्यू है उसको कर दो हाँ तो उसमें उसको कर दो 0 और कैनाइन है हाँ, तो इसको कर दो जीरो और आएगा। कैनाइन है हाँ, इसको कर दो जीरो। कैनाइन नहीं, क्या कह रही हो? हाँ, तो उसको ऐड कर देते हैं, फिर उसको यूज़ करो। नाउ 9 20 9 9 हाँ, जीरो हो गया। कैरी हाँ, तो उसमें ऐड कर दो 9 हाँ, तो जीरो हो गया। कैरी जीरो यहाँ पे जब ऐड हो गया, ठीक है फुल। तो कैनाइन हाँ, कैरी वन कर दिया। कैनाइन नहीं, कैरी से वन तो पैटर्न से जीरो reverse और next reverse कर दो next one मान लो तो लास्ट कुछ नहीं कर सकते। अगर कैरी है तो वन ऐड करेंगे, ठीक है। कैरी वन जस्ट ऐड वन रिवर्स के लिए वैल्यू है प्लस वन, तो लेट्स गो 9 2 9 2 9, तो 9 या फिर कैरी क्या 9 है हाँ, तो रिवर्स की जो वैल्यू है उसको कर दो जीरो कर दिया, और कैरी जो है उसको कर वन कर दिया। क्या 9 नहीं, कैरी है हाँ है, तो रिवर्स में कैरी ऐड कर दो, ठीक है। ठीक है, कैरी कर दो जीरो, ठीक क्या 9 है हाँ, तो जीरो कैरी कर दो। क्या 9 नहीं, कैरी कैरी ऐड कर दो, ठीक है। इसको कर दो जीरो। नाउ क्या रिवर्स का जो नेक्स्ट होगा लिखा तो उस पर कुछ मत करो, अब चेक करो कि क्या कैरी नहीं, रिवर्स ठीक है। अब ये करने के बाद हम रिटर्न कर देते हैं, तो हम रिवर्स को को फिर से रिवर्स कर देना, तो रिटर्न रिवर्स सो गाइस, आई थिंक आई हैव टू स्टॉप द लाइव नाउ, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत भूख लग चुकी है और लाइव चल रहा है। तो मैं कुछ खा वा के नाश्ता करके फिर से आता हूँ लाइव। ओके गाइस, बाय बाय।